Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and earlier today I made a video about the Windows key plus the V key for copy and paste, or basically paste, because you've already copied a bunch of stuff into a clipboard. And one of my viewers or subscribers gave me a pretty good tip. Before you go to the Windows screen with the V, if you'll get your text tool and actually click on your text tool, and then go Windows V, and when you go down to your item that you want to paste, you just double click on it and it brings it in as artistic text right where you want it. So we'll do that again. If I wanted to bring some more of those names in, I'm gonna go Windows V, and if you didn't watch the first video, you might want to watch the first video, and then I can double click on that and it brings it right in where you want it. And what I think is pretty neat about this, you could see if you don't do that, you get artistic or paragraph text, and then you have to go change it. It's not that less of a keystroke, but you can pick the spot where you want it to start, and then we can bring in, I'm just controlling V, and then you bring in that, and it brings it in as an artistic text. And like I did this morning, and then you go up to your text editor, and then you could make it the paragraph shorter and move your words around wherever you want it, and then hit OK, and you've got a paragraph or an artistic text. Pretty cool. What's nice about that, if you have a lot of stuff pasted in your clipboard, you can pick the order you want to put it in. And then just another little insight, you could pick this little menu bar right here and double click on it and clear all, and it'll clear all your items in your clipboard for the next time you need it to start doing new ones. But what's neat about it is it's always going to be there, you know, if you have some items on your clipboard that you use all the time. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.